Hello students, today we shall start exercise 8.2 as we have studied about the trigonometric ratios table or trigonometry values table in the previous video. So in this exercise we shall use the values of trigonometric ratios for particular or different angles like angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, etc. And we shall solve the exercise. So the first question, let's start the exercise, and the first question says that evaluate the following, and for this the first is sine 60 cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. So what we need to do is just we need to put the values of these particular ratios for particular angles, and after that subtracted whatever it has need, whatever operation it needs, they apply and solve the questions. So now first obtaining the values. So as we know that sine 60 is equals to root 3 upon 2, cos 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2, again sine 30 degree is equals cos 60 degree is equals to 1 by 2, sine 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2, and cos 30 degree is equals to 1 by root 3 by 2. Now applying all these ratios value in A, this implies that sine 60 is equals to root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus sine 30 is equals to 1 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now solving these, they are root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3 by 2 2s are 4, plus this is 1 by 4. Now taking LCM of these, that is 4. Now this is 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4, this is equals to 1. So this is first. Now the second one is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Again tan 45 degree is equals to 1, cos 30 degree is equals to root 3 by 2, and sin 60 degree is again root 3 by 2. Now putting all these value in B, and this implies that 2 into 1 square plus root 3 upon 2 square minus root 3 by 2 square. Now solving these, they are 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. This will be cancelled out and this will be 0, and 2 into 1 is 2, so 2 plus 2, that is equals to 0. So the second one have the answer 0. Similarly we can have the third, fourth and fifth part of this question also. They will be also the same. Now so we are not going to solve all the parts. I will solve the fifth part, and that fifth part says 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So first having all the values, and they are cos 60 degree is equals to 1 by 2, sec 30 degree is equals to 2 by root 3, tan 45 degree is equals to 1, sin 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2, and cos 30 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. So putting all this value in this section, and this implies that 5 into 1 by 2 square plus 4 into 2 by root 3 square minus 1 square upon sin square 30 is 1 by 2, so this is 1 by 2 square plus root 3 by 2 square. Now we shall solve the numerator as well as denominator also. So first this is 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now This implies 5 into 1, that is 5 by 4, plus 4 4 is 16 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now taking the LCM for numerator, that is 12, so this will be 15 plus 64 minus 12 upon the LCM of denominator is 4, this is 1 plus 3. Again this will be 79 minus 12 upon 4 upon 12 upon 4 by 4, this will be 1. So this is 79 minus 12, that is 67 by 12. So the answer is 67 by 12. So we have solved the 3 parts of question first. Now the rest 2 parts will be have same procedure, so I am not going to solve. If you guys have any problem in any section, then you can ask me in comments and I will make a video on that question also, or I will send you some material for that question. So proceeding to the next question, that is question number 2. Next, the question number 2 says that choose the correct options, and justify your choice. So what are we need to do that? First we have given a question first for the first part of second is, that is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree, and now we have given 4 options for this question. First, A is sin 60 degree, B is cos 60 degree, C tan 60 degree, and D sin 30 degree. So our things to do, and that is we need to solve this question, and after solving we shall match the answer with this option, that who has the same value of this answer, and that will be our answer. So first, since 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30, since tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3, so this is 2 into 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. Now this is 2 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3, 2 by root 3 by the LCM of the denominator is 3, so this is 3 plus 1. Again this is 2 by root 3 upon 4 by 3. Now this will implies 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4, so this will be 2 and this will be root 3, which is equals to root 3 upon 2. Since we got this is root 3 by 2, now checking the options, we have 4 options. A is equals to sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. Now we got the answer root 3 by 2. So we need to check which ratio has the value root 3 by 2, and by the help of the trigonometric values table we know that sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 30 is root 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. So the option will be A, means A is correct because it has sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. Again the second part of this question is 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree, and the options are first A is tan 90 degree, B is 1, C is sin 45 degree and D is 0. Now we need to calculate the value of this question and need to match which option is correct. So since 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45, now we know that tan 45 is equals to 1. So putting the value in this, and this is 1 minus 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square. This is 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 0 by 2, which is equals to 0. So we got the answer 0. Now matching this answer with options, and they are tan 90 which is infinite, B is equals to 1, C is equals to sine 45 and D is equals to 0. So our answer get matched with option D, that is 0. Again, the part C or the third part of this question is if sine 2A is equals to 2 sine A is true. It has given that sine 2 is equals to 2 sine A, then A is equals to, then we need to calculate what will be the value of A. Now the options are A is equals to 0 degree, B is equals to 30 degree, C is equals to 45 degree and D is equals to 60 degree. So we need to calculate which is correct options. So in this question we shall put all the options in the question and check which option is satisfying this equation. So putting the option A, that is 0, so sine 2 into 0 is sine 0, which is equals to 0, and in right hand side this is 2 into sine 0, and that is 2 sine 0, which is equals to 2 into 0, that is 0. So our first option is right, so we don't need to check all the options because only one option is correct, and that is first, because by putting this value of A in this equation we got both the left hand side and right hand side equal. So this option is correct. Now the fourth part of this question is 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. And the options are A is cos 60 degree, B is sin 60 degree, C is tan 60 degree and D is sin 30 degree. Now proceeding to the question, 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Since tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. Now putting this value in this question, and that is equals to 2 into 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 square, and that is equals to 2 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3. Now taking the LCM for the denominator, that is equals to 3. So this is 3 minus 1. So which is equals to 2 by root 3 upon 2 by 3, which is equals to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. This will be root 3. So the answer of this is root 3. Now checking the options, cos 60 has 1 by 2 and tan 60 is root 3, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2, and we got the root 3 value which is equal to tan 60 degree. So the option C is correct for this question. So students, we have completed the question number 2 and all the sections, all the parts of the question number 2. Now proceeding to the question number 3, and question number 3 says that if tan A plus B is equals to root 3 and tan A minus B is equals to 1 by root 3, where A plus B is less than 0 degree and greater than 0 degree and less than equals to 9 degree, and if A is greater than B, then find the value of A and B. So we need to find out the A and B, where we have given tan A plus B is root 3 and tan A minus B is 1 by root 3. So since tan A plus B is equals to 1 by only root 3 by root 3, so tan A plus B is equals to root 3. Now since we have given the addition of angle A and B is less than 90, this is possible when both A and B are acute angle and having the sum less than or equals to 90. So this means A and B both belongs to first quadrant, which is 0 to 90 degree and which have the addition also less than 90 degree. Now any angle from 0 to 90 which has the tan theta is equals to root 3 by 2, that is 60, because tan 60 is root 3. So this implies that a plus b is equals to 60 degree, because अगर a plus b 60 degree है, that's why tan a plus b is root 3. Again for second, tan a minus b is equals to 1 by root 3. This implies a minus b is 30 degree, because only tan 30 degree is equals to 1 by root 3 in first quadrant. So a minus b is 30 degree. Now adding equation was addition of equation number first and second, which implies 2a is equals to 60 plus 30 degree. This implies 2a equals to 90 degree and a equals to 90 by 2, that is 45 degrees. So since a is 45 degree, now putting this a in any equation, so I am using equation second and first, that is a plus b is equals to 60 degree. So this is 45 plus b is equals to 60 degree. This implies that b is equals to 60 minus 45, and that is equals to 15 degree. So the value of a is 45 and the value of b is 15. Now we can have the conditions also, that 45 plus 15 is equals to 60 degree, which is less than 90 and greater than 0. Since a is greater than b and a is 45 degree and b is 15 degree, so again we have that a is greater than b. So these two conditions are fulfilled. So the values which we found, that is a is 45 degree and b is 15 degree, are correct. So our question is complete. So students, now exercise 8.2 is complete. If you guys have any doubt, then please ask me in comments, and like and share this video too. Thank you.